For demonstration here we have 21 stitches. On my needle 18 stitches multiple of 6 3 times 6 plus 6 is equal to 18 plus 1 extra stitch 19 and plus 2 edge stitches 21. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit anybody you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3 1 2 3. Yarn in back, make 5 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5. Yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 3, make 5 from 1 stitch, purl 2. This is 6 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, make 5 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5. Purl 2, 1, 2. One more time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, make 5 from 1 stitch. First we knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5. Yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. First row is completed now. Second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl, yarn over, also purl. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 5, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2. One more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2. Last 2, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2. Yarn in back, knit together from front loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit together from front loop, knit 3, knit together from back loop, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Purl 2, 1, 2, knit together from front loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop, purl 1. Now one more time, purl 2, 1, 2, knit together from front loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop, purl 1. Last 2, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. Fourth row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 5, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 1. One more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 1. Last two, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit together. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit together from front loop. Knit 3, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit together from front loop. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop. One more time. Purl 1, knit together from front loop. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last two, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed. Now sixth row wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 1, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 1, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Knit 1, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last two, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. Sixth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.